Hey guys, it's Wednesday, June the 12th. Time for another video. Hope everybody's doing well. Watching your trading, moving your stops, taking your profit when you can, hopefully. I had a couple trades that I got in yesterday and we'll go over those. But first, let's get the advertisements out of the way. This is for trading education purposes only. Trade at your own risk. Only trade with money that you can afford to lose. Don't trade with rent money, car note money, the kids' clothes money. Don't trade with any of that kind of money. There's got to be money that you can afford to lose, and it's not going to hurt anything else. So do your own research, your own due diligence, and do not, I repeat, do not follow anybody blindly, and of course that includes me. So now we'll go over the trades. Yesterday I talked about the pound dollar buy. See, the other day I'd got in, took off half the profit. I'd moved my stop from over here to up here, and I got stopped out right there on the second half. But I got back in on this candle here, and I initially had a stop right there, and of course it never came back. Now I did take off half the position, which is 35 pips on the pound dollar. And then after the news came out this morning at 8:30 US time, and then this candle right here formed with the sell dots, and I have to wait until that candle ends, which is an hourly candle, and then I get out, which I got out on the close of that candle. So that trade actually made, oh gosh, let's see, how much was that? Oh, a good bit, 127 plus 30, 162. So I got 162 off of my second trade that I made. The first trade I made was over here. Got stopped out at 35 pips on the first half and stopped out the second half. I only made 7, so that was 44. So it was over 200 pips in for the pound dollar, those trades. Over 200. The Aussie dollar, oh yeah, on the pound dollar, I mean, that's a sale now. Are we getting close? No, we're not getting close. So there is a sale going on the pound dollar right now, but I'm not in it. Aussie dollar, there was the news. I wish I could have been in it too, and I would have had the same result, but there's a sale there now on the Aussie dollar. Not in it. Pound CAD, there's a 1 hour sale. I'm looking at getting into this one. What is the high? 96. But no, let's see. Pound CAD. We're not getting close to that either, because we just came off the yearly pivot, which is what this orange line is, and I hope that's what y'all's is too, orange. The pound CAD, I'm short on it now. That's the stop. That arrow, that candle right there, that high, that's the stop on the pound CAD short. Also, I like to add CAD. Yeah. Okay, so the pound yen. This was a loser. Yesterday, I got in over here. I had a very tight stop. It did not go the 35 pips needed. It went 29, I believe it was, and then I got stopped out with a 6 pip loss. That was a loser, pound yen. It's made a 1 hour sale again, but with the news, that's what drove it down. So I'm only looking for sales on the pound yen only. The New Zealand yen, CAD yen, Euro yen, odd yen, all of them, I'm just looking for sales. That's it. Euro New Zealand, not in it. I think it was down here yesterday. Yeah, it was somewhere right in here yesterday, and was looking for a buy, but as you see, it didn't do anything. But now my 6 arrows have showed up, so now there's interest here for a buy, potential buy on the Euro New Zealand. And the pound New Zealand is probably going to have the same picture. Yes, there's a buy opportunity on the pound New Zealand as well. So I'm looking to go long on those with the stop at that arrow low right there. And the Euro New Zealand, the stop will be at that low, that candle right there. That's where the stops are. Of course, New Zealand yen is in a sell, 1 hour sell right there. I think we're getting close. No, we're not either. It's at 115 away. So that may be where we're heading right there. The New Zealand yen, that may be the place to sell it. But nothing to do right now. But if this ends, which is in 37 minutes, got to sit and wait on that. The Euro Aussie is trying to make a 1 hour buy. It is on the pivot. I'm interested. The yearly pivot. I'm interested in a buy on the yearly pivot off the Euro Aussie. The Euro CAD, I talked about it yesterday. Getting in, I got in. Took off half the position. I am still in this position. This is the low. I've already taken off half of my position. The second half is now at the low of this candle right here. So I'm still in the, and it's filled in the gap, which is talked about. That's what I said that it was going to do, which it did. It filled in the gap. So I'm going to be careful. That's why I moved my stop up way up to there. Now if this pushes up higher, that candle, I'm going to move it to right there, that low, because we filled in the gap. Wasn't there another one too that, oh, right there, hasn't filled in the gap yet? So that's going to be a great buy on the Euro Aussie, all the way up to here. A couple of 100 pips for a buy. Be making some money on that. Pound Aussie, been in a sale. You had one opportunity there, another opportunity there. But now we are down to not close to the yearly pivot. So there's nothing to do here yet on the pound Aussie. CAD yen, 1 hour sale, that's off the news. It's too far away now to try to get in it. It's going to have a little bit more of a push up to make the risk lower, much lower. I'm only looking for sales. Euro yen didn't do anything, kind of gone sideways. Aussie yen is in a 1 hour sale. I'm interested in that. Depends on what this candle does right here. I'm only looking for sales on the Aussie yen, and that's it. But up above, we got another 160 to go to that yearly resistance. So that's everything in a nutshell. I did have a loser. I've had many people message me and say, you don't have any losing trades, and I messaged back, I don't think you've watched all the videos. I have losers. Because my losers are small. And of course I had the pound dollar. I've had 2 separate trades in that, which accounted for over $200. I lost 6 on the pound yen, $6. And then the Euro CAD has made over 100. So I'm well over 300 for the week on that easily. Plus, I'm still in the Euro CAD, so I can actually make a little bit more on that. And looks like I'm trying to get into some others. I've got a potential pound CAD sale, a potential Aussie yen sale, and what was the other? Euro Aussie potential buy, Euro New Zealand, pound New Zealand potential buys. But that's it. This video is being recorded, be posted about 15 or 20 minutes. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to go to my video. Underneath the video, there's a comment section, and you just put your question or comment in there, and I'll get back to you, usually pretty quick. So we'll plan on having another video tomorrow. So please monitor your trades, as you should know how to do that by now. If you've been watching all my videos, and if you haven't, please go back and look at them. Because I think if you do, you're going to be like that other guy that messaged me yesterday. I don't have any losses. Yes, I do. You look at the videos, I have them in there. I just have more wins than I do losses. And I can actually have, I think, 3 weeks ago, somebody tried to remind me, 3 weeks ago I had 7 trades. 5 of them were losers. Yes, 5 losers. I had 5 out of 7 were losers. I had 2 winners, but the 2 winners completely wiped out all my losses. Plus, I made almost 200 because it was a good week. The 2 winners was just enormous, and the 5 losers were all low risk. So that's how that works. That's why it's swing trading. That's why I trade that way. I don't trade 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, or 30 minutes charts. I use 1 hour, 4 hour daily. That's it. So I'll be back with another video tomorrow, and we'll see you guys then.